Hello everyone, this is Abdul Salam. Today I am going to show how to solve a problem. I am going to take a problem from the HackerRank. Today the problem which I took is append and delete, which is the easy in difficult level on HackerRank. So basically I solve problem based on some steps. So that steps I will be going to show you how we solve in this problem. So the first step what I do is I try to understand the problem very well. Then I focus on what are the inputs and output and what are the constraint in the HackerRank is available. Then I think for the what are the uh, more data we can collect based on this input so that we can apply on our logic. So finally I think for the logics which is depend on those input, and then uh, finally I try those sample input and output to show how it works. So let's start guys. So this is a problem append and delete. So what this problem is all about, so we have a string of lowercase English alphabet letter, and we can perform two types of operation on that string. So one is we can append a lowercase English alphabet letter to the end of the string. Second, we can delete the last character in the string and perform this operation on an empty string, resulting in an empty string. So if we perform an operation of delete on an empty string, it will result in an empty string. So if we have a extra moves to delete the operation, we can delete the extra moves with the help of empty string. So let's start. Here we have an example string s and t. So s is the given string and t is the another string. We need to perform these two operation and make the s string to the t string with the number of moves k is equal to 6. So this is what we need to do in this challenge to accomplish our task. So let's start guys. And we know the constraint over there, 1 slash and s less than equal to 100. We have a sample input like hacker happy, hacker rank, and 9 moves. So let's start with one example. This is a sample input, hacker happy and hacker rank, and this is the number of move 9. So this sample output is yes. That's because the change on happy and rank is the difference between both the string, that is s and t, and we have total of 9 character and the number of moves is also 9. So we can remove the happy, that is in 5 moves, and we can add the uh, rank with 4 moves. So total there are 9 moves to perform this operation. And we also have the 9 moves on k value. So the sample output should be yes. So I hope you guys understood how the problem is and what is the problem is, and now we need to solve on coding way of doing this. So let's start guys. We have the function over here append and delete. So here the s is equal to input and t is equal to input. So usually we give input with the help of input function, and here the number of moves are there. So this is the automatic HackerRank will be providing the inputs to you guys with the. So we will be solving the problem in Python 3 today, and we can also solve in other language. We can select other language based on navigating to this, and as I am good with Python, I will be looking for Python 3. So what initially we will be doing in this, so let's see. We have hacker rank or hacker happy and hacker rank. So first we need to understand what is the difference character are there in this particular two ones, so that we know how many operation we need to perform. So first step what I will be doing is I will be trying to get the number of, so number of some characters. So how minimum number of character, not the sum yeah, we can do any words. This is a variable. So let's start. We have a function minimum on Python. We can give length of s comma length of t. It is another function which gives a length of particular value. For example, let me start the Python interpreter as well so that I can give you an example. So let's see that s is equal to abc. So length of s will be 3. So this is what it's doing, and minimum will take the minimum value from either length of s and length of t. So Next, what we need to understand is how many character there are difference on the particular s and t values. So how I will be performing is with the help of for loop. So for I in, we have a range function in Python which gives from 0 to the value which we have. So we are trying to do length of t, so we are giving +1. So what I will be doing, if the s string of colon I, this is the concatenation what we are trying to do. If the concatenation of this particular string doesn't match with the this string, if it doesn't match, then what we will be doing is we will be changing our some character charge value to I minus 1. So what it will do, it will, whenever the character changes to a difference, for example it will try to look for h, this is same, a same, c is same. As soon as it sees the difference, it will add that particular I value to the number some characters to that variable. So now there are a lot of error which is showing here. I'm not sure why it is. Num some character for I, this looks good, so maybe kind of indentation or something. Let's say there is a kind of intersection in Python. All looks good, but no sure why the red lines are. So let's take, we can do indentation. Okay, now it works fine. It's a bug I think in the hacker rank. So let's now we need to identify the difference. What are the different character on the s and t value? So let's say difference of character, then so length of s minus number of some character plus length of t minus number of, so number of some character is nothing but a same character, number of same character. We can write a word as same character instead of some character. So difference is nothing but we have means what are the difference character on hacker rank and hacker happy. So I will write a sample input over here with this is used for commenting the this. So s is hacker happy and t is, so this is a one sample input, that is t is hacker rank. So in that case the difference will be, it's total 9, happy and rank. So what will happen, it will take the length of s and it will try to minus this particular value hacker. So length of s is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it will try to minus 6 and it will give 5. So this is the difference is trying to take from both the s and t values. Now we have the difference, now we have the, yeah, from the name number same character we got the difference. Now what we need to do, so we need to return a value yes or no with based on this conditions. Let's say I will do with a simple if different is, or we can say if the number of operation, so k is the number of operation, if it is greater than equal to different, then it is we need to print yes, we need to return yes in this case. And also we need to make sure our edge cases, like if k modulus 2 is equal to difference modulus 2. So why we are making sure both should have modulus 2 result, it's because we are making sure the k operation, it should have, if it is having either even value or it is having an even value, both should have the even numbers, it shouldn't have the 8 value, one value extra. So those things are we are taking as a edge case, and we are with, having a condition over there. So that next what we can do else, we also need to have one more edge case. So in case we don't have any like I will show you if I means I will show you directly what. So next what we say, else we know that it doesn't match, we need to return. No, we can't perform those operations if there is no number of less number of moves. We can't perform operations. Now let's start and run. You can see the zeroth case it worked, and case number 2 also worked because it has different values. It took and it tried the number of k operation, it was less, so it printed no, and in this case, but this failed because it has same value, same s and t. So what happened, we didn't have that condition because for same, in same what will do, it will not fall back and the number of character will be minimum value 3, and both has 3. So what we should do here is we need to perform another OR operation. What we need to type over here is we need to make sure length of s plus length of t. So we have a length of s plus length of t. It should be less than or equal to k. That's because length in that case ABA case, so both are having same, and we should perform all the 3 to delete, and we need to add all the 3. So we should have the number of operations should be length of s plus length of t. It should be less than or equal to k. K should be higher, that is number of operations should be higher. So we'll reverse this. Instead of that, we can do greater than or equal to length of s plus length of t. Let's do it again and see that whether it works or not. My internet is slow, but let's wait to get the result. Yeah, it works, and it says a congratulations message. It also has a different submit, so we'll try to submit all the code and see whether it works or not. So you can see that there are a lot of test cases on HackerRank. So usually HackerRank try to give a large number of inputs and small number of but we need to make sure the constraint which we saw here, this is the constraint. That's how we can make sure our code should be optimized according to that constraint. Yeah, we got successful and all the test cases was run successfully. So thank you very much guys to watch this video. Hope you like it, and I will be in future, I will be trying to show more problems on the my web page. So please like and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you once again. Bye. Have a nice day.